So this is a straight pipe, but just put on the sting like yesterday. My hover heart mb001 mini bike. How come none of y'all do this, man? I cannot find a single other person who straight piped the hover heart. And I mean, we got fucking 3 of these boys. We got 3 of these guys. So the other ones, they got those stock mufflers on. I put a straight pipe on it, but man, these pipes, they're more expensive than the 212 ones, man. It's $33 just for this metal pipe. It was worth it though, man. It sounds badass. But the other ones are completely stock. It's my sister's, that's my brother's, this is mine. I even put this tail light on there. I found. So I can ride at night and all that. I put stickers on it and stuff. But yeah. Sounds awesome. Bye, y'all.